practice your stops. Alright, we're gonna practice stopping right now. So take off, do a circle, and then come right back to me and stop. Alright. Stop, there you go. I shouldn't have to help you. Alright, that's how you do it. You gotta stop and be able to hold that 110 up yourself. Alright? Alright, try it again. How that feel? And you was talking about you was all nervous and stuff. It looked like you having fun to me. It looked like it's kind of getting easy out here, huh? Oh yeah. Go ahead, take back off. Go, learning with Landon out here, learning how to ride a 110. Look at him smiling. Look at him smiling. He done built some confidence. At first, he was all nervous. I told you, man, you was gonna get it. I knew you was gonna pick it up pretty fast. All right, so now go that way and then come back up this way. It's just right down there by that cone. You see that cone down there? That kind of green, yellowish cone? Go around that cone and come back to me. Nope, just go down there and do a circle and come back to me. Okay. All right. There you go. That's what we're practicing on, your stops right now, man. I think you're doing good, man. I think you're doing real good out here, man. This is where we got to come and do some practicing at for you. All right, man. Just go around however many times you want to go and just tell me when you're tired. All right. All right. Bye-bye.